So we're talking a bit about the fact that you can use a retirement account to invest in things outside of Wall Street stuff. And I think a lot of people don't realize this. There's a lot of dollars that are in retirement accounts, and folks put this money away. The government's incentivized us to put it away in retirement accounts, pre-tax, post-tax, but there's all these incentives to do that.
Yeah.
But they don't realize they can invest in things outside of the stock market and mutual funds.
Yeah.
And that's really what Directed IRA focuses on.
Yeah, I mean, that's honestly what we love, is that next step, because the government has done a good job, and even the financial services industry, Wall Street, has done a great job to say, save in your IRA or 401k. The government's giving you all these tax incentives. The company you work for might have been matching money, throwing in your 401k that you've worked at for 10, 20, 30 years. And that's freaking free money. You'd be crazy not to take that, even if you're just going to buy a mutual fund you don't care about. But that's not all that's on the menu for your IRA or 401k to invest in. You can actually own real estate with your IRA, and I know you guys have had hundreds of investors use IRA dollars or 401k dollars using the self-directed IRA strategy. And that's what we're doing at our company every day at Directed IRA, is opening up accounts for people. And we're opening 50 new accounts a day right now. It's insane. And the majority of those clients, 60% of them, are investing in real estate in some form or fashion. They're buying a single family rental. They're private money lending to some other investor, getting interest in points, or they're investing in a fund or a syndication, doing a bigger deal that they couldn't do on their own. And so I think it's awesome, because I love real estate personally, and my retirement account invests in real estate, just because I believe it as an asset class. But you just don't get it on the menu at your broker dealer.
Yeah, and that's one thing that I discovered as I was a corporate guy working on Wall Street. I had a 401k, and I could invest in whatever Fidelity offered. Yeah. And then as I read your book, actually, the Self-Directed IRA handbook, that as I was getting in the industry, I realized that you can use those retirement funds for things like real estate, which is what my passion is, and multiple other things, crypto, owning businesses in that same account. But you have to move it out of Fidelity and TD Ameritrade, and you have to move it to a IRA custodian, which is what Directed IRA is.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's the thing is, if you have a IRA at Fidelity, and I get this all the time, I'm like, man, I heard I could buy real estate with my IRA, and I called up Fidelity and I said, I want to invest in this deal, and they said I can't do it. And I'm like, well, that's not because IRAs can't do it. That's because Fidelity IRAs can't do it. Okay, you're at the wrong place, And I always like to give the restaurant analogies, it's like you walked into McDonald's and tried to order a chalupa, okay? You can have a chalupa, but you're not going to get it at McDonald's, okay? And so, but Fidelity, or think about this, TD Ameritrade, right? If you have an IRA account there, what do they let you buy? What they sell. They're a broker-dealer. They're going to let you buy stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. You're like, well, I got an IRA at Northwestern Mutual or New York Life. Well, what do you think they're going to let you buy? Annuities.
Yeah,
that's
why they provide the account, right? Is so
exactly.
that you can buy the stuff that's on the menu.
Yeah, it's your local credit union that lets you have an IRA. What do they let you buy? The CD that the credit union sells.